So a bit of a quirk about this room is that sometimes we'd be sitting down here and that's actually really sad. I shouldn't be saying that. Let me try again. Hi, my name is Veronica. I'm a student here at TUS. I study Industrial Automation Robotic Systems, and I'll give you a little tour of where we study at. So over this way we have our mechanical labs, then upstairs are our electrical labs, and then we're going to be going towards the automation labs, kind of the best ones really. So this is our automation lab. For my course, it would kind of be the base room. This is where most of our equipment is stored. This is where a lot of our classes would be. It kind of has most of the fun stuff really. Over here, we have my FYP this year. Be a lot of kind of 3D parts, a bit of electrical parts, mechanical parts. Some of the other FYPs are also on display. And I guess the most fun thing is we get the robots, the robotic systems part. So they'd be really great to mess around with and have fun with. So I usually sit somewhere around here. It's like our little home really, because all our FYPs, as I said, are here, and we always get to have a little get together, and there's a kind of room that we kind of just belong in. So this is a glimpse of where I study and where I spend most of my time. Thanks for watching.